hope you're having a good. There was like a tiny fly. It tried to fly into my mouth again. Why do they keep doing that? Where are they coming from? My room is clean now. I put all the food away. It wasn't even that much food, but all the food's out of my room now. It can't be the coffee, right? They just like, oh, flies just like coffee. I didn't know that. I thought they liked anything with sugar, or is that ants? It's not like multiple flies. There's just been this one tiny fly that has been harassing me. I really think I did not eat it that one time. I think it's the same fly. It's only been one fly. I don't see multiple flies in my room. It's just one singular one that has been harassing me. Maybe it's trying to get revenge for that one time I almost ate it, but yeah. I don't know why. It's like really tiny. It's not like those big flies. I don't even know what to call it. I'm not sure if it even is a fly. Is it gnats or something? I don't know. It's like a tiny flying bug. But it keeps harassing me.